All right, guys, it is day 2 for us for phase 2 of the Creek Freak Challenge. I am out here at my hometown creek, my childhood creek, with my firstborn son, the legendary Gavin. All right, guys, I'm starting out with the Trout Tickler Hellgrammite. Gavin is rocking that Swing Impact Worm from Keitech, and we have no idea what we're gonna catch, guys. Usually when we come here, it's a lot of small fish, and sometimes you get that rare big fish or that rare wild species like sauger or something. So we don't know what we're gonna catch today, but we're gonna share it with you guys. All right, guys, stick around. This ought to be fun. Well, I caught one, guys. Camera wasn't on. It's all right though, he was only like 8 inches. Woo, got a gar. Little one. You know what? I never seen that big fish again. Oh, dang it, that was a good pass. He was carrying it off. I never felt him pick it up. Time for a new one. I'm gonna try that again, dude. Throw that down in there. Dang it, threw it over that log. Ah, I missed it again. In my bag somewhere. I think on the top, middle part. There. Yeah, stay strapped or get clapped, bro. Quit that, Greg. Come on, you got a bass in here. He's picked it up twice now, but I haven't hooked. Jesus, what is up with my cast, dude? Got him that time. Not a bad smallie, dude. No, it's a big spot. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's a nice spotted bass right there.
That's a hole.
Yeah, that's a good one. I need my picture, Gavin. Got it. Cool. All right. All right, guys. On the Hellgrammite, that is a beefy. I mean, that is a beefy spot. I ain't getting nothing else. Oh, look at that. That's the one I think I first saw. That looks more like it. That's a nice one too, man. I mean, it's not as big as the one I just caught, of course, but it's a good spot. All right, we thought they were all done. Yeah, this is the first guy I thought I seen, because I was really blown away when I pulled the one out that I pulled out. Good deal, dude, good deal. Well, guys, not a bad start. That's a really nice spot. Gavin caught a pretty decent spot himself out of that hole. A couple rock bass right there, and then I almost got killed by a duck. Did you guys see that? Is that not crazy? I don't know where that thing even came from, man. I thought the landowners over here were throwing a rock at me or something. All right, guys, we're gonna keep on moving on. Man, we may find a good one today. All right, guys, stay tuned. Give her a shot. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like a big smallmouth. Yeah, it's a smallmouth. He's about to hit my line. It's a good smallmouth. Think. Yeah, I got it. Oh, he broke me off, dude. me off. That was a good one. Couple pounder. Now, guys, I cannot believe that fish just broke me off. He didn't look that big. He looked good though. It looked definitely like a 2 pound, maybe 3 pound smallmouth. I checked my line, man, it's pretty gnarly. So I went ahead and cut off about 2 foot of line, tossed it in my bag, re-tied on. Oh man, that was a good fish though. Gavin just lost another good one right over there. He just got a hook in his though. He didn't break off like I did. But it looks like, guys, it looks like it's going to be a good day for big bass. We're just going to put a little bit of work in, guys, and cut back on the errors. All right, guys, stick around. Looks like there should have been one here, huh? There was. Gavin got him.
Got away from me.
Yeah, he did. Got him. That's not a bad largemouth. I had a bluegill over on my end. Not bad, Gavin. Largemouth or spot? Yeah. Nah, it's not bad at all. I was gonna say, man, we've caught some here before. I had a little rock or a little sunfish. There's another. There's 2 more of them sitting on the same side you just caught those at. Got him. Not bad at all. There's another one up there. That's a smallmouth. Now it's a big spot. There we go, guys. It's a beautiful spot. I can't believe I sight fished him. We were getting ready to walk around this corner and we saw this guy and another one. All right, let's get him back in the water.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on. On and on, I'm moving on and on.
Look at this, guys. I don't know what happened, but there was like dead bluegill everywhere. There's a bass back there, but somebody filleted him. I wonder if this is somebody's keep and they decided they didn't want to keep them and then just threw them back in here like that. That's sad. Some more of them right here, guys. Look, here's a dead bass. What is going on? Why would somebody just kill a bass like that? That's not a bad bass. And it's just dead for no reason. Somebody's dumped something in here, dude. Killed the fish in this area. Either that or they were here and they just ran out of oxygen. Well, guys, coming across that massive fish kill is rough. I thought maybe somebody had a bucket of bait because we saw the one bass and it looked like he was filleted. Maybe he wasn't filleted. Maybe that's just the way he decomposed. I don't know. Because when we saw that other bass, which looked like he was even bigger, and he wasn't even touched. He was just dead floating in the water. I have no idea what's going on here, guys, but I think somebody's dumped something in this water. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna throw over here where I caught that one earlier today. See if I can pull another one out of there, maybe. Go right ahead. I don't think there's anything else left here to catch. Or not. Dude. You know what? It's the same fish I caught earlier. Yeah, you know how I know this is the same fish I caught earlier, guys? Right here. It's got the little sore right there on him. I caught this fish twice. He's spawning too. What's up with that?
That's weird. I should have
Yeah. Caught the same spotted bass twice. How crazy is that? Yeah, he was right up over there in the corner this time. I thought I had another good one. I guess I do got another good one. All right, guys, let's get him up out of here.
I'm a rolling stone, bound to roam. Come the morning, or I'll be gone. Pouring rain, wanna hear that train. There she comes, won't you get on? Won't you get on board?
Not one bass holding up in this hole, huh? Is that what you're trying to tell me? There ain't one bass back here. I ain't worried about my, yeah, there we go. Look at that, dude. See that better one come out? Look, and I got him. The other one spit it out because I never set the hook. Yeah, there we go, guys. That was a pretty neat catch. He came out looking to fight that smaller one for it. The smaller one gave it up, and then this guy made the wrong choice and decided to eat it himself. He came out from underneath that log over there. You ready for a rage now, Gavin? You ready for a rage yet?
No, I'm just gonna fish somebody else's poplar.
Okay.
Might as well. Take it.
You say so, man. It's your prerogative. Don't tell me I just caught the same bass again.
You might have.
The last one had a red mark on him.
That one got a red mark.
He does. It's the same bass, guys. I just caught the same bass twice. I just literally just caught this guy. Quit eating it! Yeah, there's a good one up here. I got him. Rage swimmer, Gavin. You still ain't put one on. There we go, guys. Last one for the day. Look at, he's all beat up. We got the sores too. A lot of them been all beat up and sore like that. I'm sorry for him.
Got a belly on him,
Yeah, he's eating
yeah.
well.
He is sore.
Yeah, see the sores and everything on him?
You think that's from just being in the creek?
Yeah, it's probably this creek and just getting beat up.
If he can't, well, if he came from the lake, he probably slid right down the spillway.
All right, buddy. Let's get you on up out of here. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a wrap with that one. We still gotta walk out of here, get home, make some dinner. But man, I had a really good time exploring this creek. Say I grew up fishing in this creek. This is where I learned how to do it all, guys, right here. I mean, this is like the epitome of a creek though, right? You got your tree jams, you got your little deep holes, you got your super shallow water. This is the essence of creek fishing right here. You know, you really don't expect monster fish here. You hope for monster fish in a creek, but you don't expect it. And that's what makes it even more special when you actually do catch one of those big fish, because it's not something you expect. You know, nobody goes out to a creek with the high expectations of catching 5-6+ pound bass. You just don't. You come out to the creek with the expectations of catching fish, if you're lucky, multiple species of fish, and if you're real lucky, a really good fish. All right, guys, thank you for seeing this one. Get out there, go fish your creek, see how well it fishes for you. See you on the next one.